Alright, here we go. Got another one for y'all. It's the FWC test, which is the flower water cantaloupe test. This time we're doing the Monarch 243 soft points at about 50 yards. Y'all stay tuned. Alright, here we go. Doing the FWC expansion penetration test. And what is FWC? It is flower water cantaloupe. Going with the 243, these are. Alright, here we go. We are in a nice small hole out the flower, which is kind of interesting. There you go, it is a 243. That is not a very big hole. That's my index finger. It's about the size of my nail. So there you go. In and a tiny hole coming out. I mean, really no destruction whatsoever. In and out the first jug. Got lid fragmenting. Y'all can see hopefully on the label there, all those dots on the label. That's all that bullet broke up. That's going in, big hole going in. Still a little hole going out. Little hole going out, big hole going in. And that's how, remember, I set my jugs up like that. 243 FWC, bullet pretty much vaporized in the water jug. Could not find it. Showed y'all that. We got the cantaloupe. So there's the exit wound. That was the entry wound. Let's just see if we can get a shockwave going through the cantaloupe. Okay. No, not much of anything going on. Well, oh, wow, there's the bullet. Ta-da! Looky there. Wow. What a surprise. So, the bullet stopped, the casing stopped in the cantaloupe. And that was the rest of that was just lid shards going through the, going into that jug. That is definitely fascinating. Battery went dead. That's cool. So there's your wound channel. They got stuck in the cantaloupe. There's the opposite side. Pretty darn neat. I was wondering why there really wasn't that big of a hole coming out the back, and that was just the lead shards going through. So let's just take a look at the 243. We have going at the rim right there. If you want to go big destruction, big expansion, right there. And there you go, right there. Again, that's cheaper caliber if somebody wants to disagree with those. Just to give you a rough idea of what the expansion is going on is all we're doing here.